All right, our second day in Florida. We went to bed at
8:15.
and we got a good
9 hours.
9 or 10 hours of sleep. It is
much needed.
7 a.m. Scotty has already emptied out all the waste tanks, fixed the toilet
Again,
and we still have nuts falling. Better night's sleep though.
Yeah.
With those blankets up there.
Yeah.
Up here on the roof, I am going to put a couple moving blankets down over our bedroom, so hopefully we don't have all of this noise all night of acorns dropping on the roof.
All right, are we all secure up there?
All secure.
Are we nut-proofed?
We are nuts. Yeah. I at one point thought that squirrels were on top of the roof burying nuts underneath the blankets because there was just constant noise. I took my earplugs out to make sure Scott was sleeping through it, and it wasn't squirrels.
What was it?
It was you snoring. Anyway,
Man was tired.
Anyway, we got a good night's sleep. We are going to have a great day today. Hopefully full of some riding and sightseeing. We are anticipating the next 3 days with rain. So we just booked a rental car. We're going to go pick that up, bring it back to the site before we get our day going. All right, so now we have this nice rental car. It's a GMC Terrain, and it started spitting a little bit when we got back. So instead we're taking the car.
Might as well, we rented it.
To breakfast. So
and it's a little chilly for Florida.
It was fine.
It was cold for me coming back without you snuggling up behind me.
Oh my goodness. All right, off to breakfast. Funky fresh cookies and foods with a purpose. Oh, there's tables in here. Let's check it out. Oh, it is cute. That looks like it could be breakfast. It's like a Rice Krispie treat.
Jeez.
Dawn's didn't have the sit-down breakfast we were looking for, but the owners gave us some good local recommendations. We grabbed some cookies and headed to our new favorite breakfast spot.
Juana's.
We're at Juana's. Juana? You wanna?
Wanna join us? Hey, yoga. Tuesdays and Thursdays. Here we go. Yeah, sure we go.
Oh, you're in.
I can do that. I'm in. I wanna join you. Wanna. Hello. Our breakfast place for the week?
Yeah, might be.
Maybe.
I might want to try that potato bowl here.
Look at those pancakes. Oh my gosh. They are the side of your plate.
Lemon
Sourdough
syrup.
bread. It's so good. Like, this is just so good. And the egg is so fluffy. Oh. It's not going yet. We gotta do it again. I missed the shot.
No.
Come on. Darn it. Almost. Reviews on this place.
Food coma. That's your review.
It's a place you have to go.
Yes.
I had a veggie omelet. It was the fluffiest. It had roasted red bell peppers in there. It was phenomenal. Probably one of the best omelets I've had. What'd you have?
The blueberry pancakes were just out of this world.
Definitely.
I think you're gonna be here for yoga tomorrow, aren't you?
I don't know. So this is easily one of those places where we could come back and probably eat every meal. Jesus. What do you... What'd you do? Slipped on my crock. All right.
Did you get that on film?
I did. Ow, I hurt. This is definitely one of these...
I'm sorry.
Okay.
I'm glad you're okay.
Okay.
She crashed and burned.
All right. Ow. All right, so real quick, we could come here every day, but we have other places to try. So I'm sure we'll be back. The food is pretty good. You said it was the best blueberry pancakes you've ever had.
That was pretty good.
So, all right, Juana's. If you are in Navarre Beach area, definitely check out Juana's.
Just be careful with the steps.
Yeah, that first step was a doozy. Just don't wear Crocs. Okay.
We got some weather coming in tomorrow, tonight, late tonight. So we got that all figured out, done. Actually, I really like these tarps. These are really nice. How you feeling?
I feel all right. My leg is a little sore. I got a little bit of a scuff here. If we were on the motorcycles, that wouldn't have happened because number one, I wouldn't have been wearing.
Oh, so this is
slippery
my
shoes.
fault.
No, and then number two, if I would have kept my motorcycle boots on, I wouldn't have scraped the crap out of my shin.
Like
but-
it actually went through her jeans. Like you can see the mark on her
yeah.
jeans right there. How's that? That probably can't feel that good right now.
No, I think when we go to CVS, we should also grab an ice pack.
Okay, well, I'm sorry you fell. So she's we've been here what, 3 days now? 2 days? 2 days. And you've broken your toe.
I mean, I don't think it's broken. It's probably just sprained. I mean, you know.
Damn near broke her leg. Fell down like 4 flights of stairs, gracefully, I might add.
Yeah, yeah.
It was I mean, I didn't hear any thudding, so.
No, I rolled into it. It's from all my martial arts training.
We'll spare you the boring drive as we head towards Destin to put our toes in the sand.
What you doing?
Going to the beach. Watching where I step.
Yeah, don't crash.
So blue.
What do you think?
Beautiful. Feels so
It's like
good.
absolutely good. There's like no wind right where we're at.
Nice. Wow, look at all these houses, jeez. Ridiculous.
Yeah, that's pretty stunning. Howdy.
Hi.
Welcome to vacation. This is amazing. Look how clear that water is.
Mm-hmm.
So right now it's about 63, 64 degrees, which in Florida is cold for most people. So us Wisconsinites who are down here just enjoying this. I mean, it's beautiful.
Scotty headed back to the car, but I could walk on the beach for hours. This would be me every morning and every evening if I lived down here. Absolutely, absolutely love just walking on the beach, listening to the shorebirds and the waves crashing. These guys are all hanging out. one thing nice about an overcast day. You pretty much have the beach to yourself.
On the drive back to Navarre, we caught a group of kiteboarders braving the windy conditions on the Choctawhatchee Bay. Their colorful kites added a splash of vibrancy to the gray sky.
You guys are out here in dry suits. It is really windy and kind of cold today. It's cold. It's cold. We saw this sign for Bonsai Nursery. We did not come home with any bonsai plants because it's really hard to justify spending like that much money on something that I might kill in 2 months.
Probably a good chance of that.
I mean, I'm pretty good with plants, except, you know, he doesn't look so good. No bonsai for you.
No bonsai for you.
We are gonna go play some bingo.
Maybe.
Maybe. We're gonna pretend we're retired, and I think that's what retired people do.
All right, the next three are N's. N36.
I ain't gonna win this game.
N38.
Yeah, baby.
N34. G52. I-20.
Bingo.
Yay. All right. Good bingo. Who are you and where are you from?
I'm Heather, and from Wisconsin.
All right.
Thanks.
And what would you like to play, Heather?
Ooh,
I forgot to play my extra card.
Ah.
ooh, the letter H.
Mm.
This is Andrew's hot mess. Okay.